Okay, so I've heard a lot about this brand, and honestly I've been skeptical. I've been like, I don't know if I should get into it because I'm not about to just ride the wave. But then my whole mindset changed. One of my friends, she was like, oh my god, try this glosser, like the lip gloss or whatever. I think it's chapstick. And she was like, got it from Ipsy. And I was like, oh really? So I tried it on, and oh my gosh, I was at work at the time. My lips did not get chapped, not one bit. Mind you, I was working a 6-hour shift and my lips were like popping the whole time. I was like, what? So I went on the Ipsy's website. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out. Let me apply for the subscription. So today's video, ta-da! If you didn't know, it's gonna be an Ipsy review, unpackage, unwrap, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a package unbox because it's so small, but it's gonna be like an unwrap. Okay, so first impressions of the brand. When you go on the website, you have to like fill out your name, blah blah blah, your email, such like that. So then they want to get a feel of who you are. So for me, I know they ask questions like eyeshadow or eyeliner, obviously eyeliner, and then they were just wanted to know your skin complexion. What do you like? Do you like nail polish, skincare? I was like, what's your interest in the beauty world? So anyways, I filled it out on May 1st. So I was super excited. I was like, yes, I'm gonna get my package. Like, I can't wait. No, honey, I did not get the package until May 17th. I even emailed them. I was like, wait, did you guys forget about me? I'm confused. Because usually it takes like 5 business days. No, it took 17. Okay, so they emailed me back. They were like, oh, sorry, we're sending you. Here's your tracking number, blah, blah, blah. I think it got mixed up. So the company reached out to me immediately. So I don't even care about that anymore. I'm just like, okay. But anyways, yeah, so the package is like this. It's small, it's pink. Like, it has the bubbles so you can like pop it and stuff. I always do that. So you open it. Oh yeah, it has like your information here or whatever. But you open it, and then inside, I just pulled that out fast as hell. But inside is like a little cute makeup bag, like a travel. I would use this for traveling, even though only 2 things of my makeup could fit in here. Even though I don't have a lot of makeup, they wouldn't fit. Okay, so anyways, the package looks like this. Oop, yeah. So it's cute, and it just has like little stamps. So I see like numbers, airmail. I see the pairs. Like, you know when you go to a post office and they like stamp on your papers or your passport, whatever you go to the post office for. So yeah, this is one. So then you unzip, and it's just like cute little makeup, beauty. I see a lip product, and then I guess this is an eyeshadow. Yeah. So let's pull the first thing. So this is a eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. And this is perfect. It's so cute. Aw. This is perfect because I'm running out of eyeliner. Like, I've been so lazy. I have to go to CVS. But I've been running out, and I don't want to go to CVS right now. So this saved my life. I can't wait to use this. I love eyeliner. That's like my favorite. So I'll put this here. And the box is cute too. It's like a nice royal blue. Then this lip color. It's a soft matted lip cream, and it's from NYX. So I have this shade actually, the same thing, but I think mine's halfway done, so refill. And this is honestly so soft. It never dries my lips, so that's why I really love their brand. Even though it's like a drugstore, I really love it. It's so nice. Then eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm not really an eyeshadow girl, but I'll try it out. So it looks like so. Wait, I never know where. Yeah, okay, there we go. So it's like an ashy brownish purple. Let's swat it on my skin. It kind of blends in with my skin, so that'll be interesting. But it looks metallic on my fingers, but it blends in on my skin. So let's see how that goes. And last but not least, like, since it's $10 a month, you know what I mean? It's not like a huge makeup box filled with a bunch of products. So it's small but sure, and it gets to the point. That's what I like. So this is a sea mask, and it's a Dead Sea mud mask. So it's a deep skin cleanser, which I need one desperately. Like, I need one. So whatever decides to focus, which it's not going to. So 100% natural ingredients. So leave it on your skin for 15 minutes, blah blah blah, you know how that goes. So I'm actually really excited to use this. This might be my favorite product that I received from Ipsy, because my skin been going through it and I really need to take the time to get my skin acting right. So yeah, that's all that I received from Ipsy. I'm excited for next month products, because every month is like something new. You never know what you're gonna get until they obviously email you, but I don't even want to see the email. Like, I want to be surprised. So yeah, that's all that I have for this video. I'm really excited to see what Ipsy has to offer. Out of the products that I received, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Only because the eyeshadow brings it down. That's not even a cute shade. I'm not even gonna front. I'm sorry. But this skin cleanser really made it up. I already have this shade color, so I'm not too excited about it, but you can never have enough. And then what I'm really happy about is this eyeliner, because girl, I did not feel like going to CVS to get a new one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Girl, I did not feel like going to CVS to get a new one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.